This video, what I'm going to do today is expose a vendor that basically sucks. No other way to say it. I have a warranty company, and the name of the warranty company is Service Plus Home Warranty. And I'll be putting their information up here in a second. And so with the warranty company, I contacted them because my AC broke actually on September 15th. It started smoking and smelled like burning rubber and all that good stuff. So turned off the AC, called the home warranty company because that's what you're supposed to do. Called the home warranty company and tried to schedule to get a technician out here. That's where things took a turn for the worst. So we'll go back a little bit. I actually didn't call them. Most home warranty companies have it where you can just go online and submit a claim. So that's what I did on the 15th. I went online, submitted a claim, and expected to get a technician to respond within 24 hours or whatever. So 24 hours comes and goes. Nobody responded. So then I contacted the home warranty company by phone. This process was not the best. It took about an hour on hold for somebody to actually answer the phone, and then from there I explained what was going on, and they wanted to get a technician out to me as soon as possible. So that's pretty much what sped up a technician contacting me, because I don't believe the technician would have contacted me had I not contacted them first. So that was on the 15th. On the 16th I called them, and just to make sure that I'm saying all of this correctly, the 15th was a Wednesday, the 16th was a Thursday. So on Friday, the technician contacted me and said that they would be coming out to the property. They said they'd be there about noon. Noon turned into 1, 1 turned into 2, 2 turned into 3, 3 turned into 4, 5. Finally, by 7 o'clock, they came over to the house, diagnosed the problem. I forget exactly what it was. They said the fan motor was gone, and so they needed to replace the fan motor or something to that effect. I could be wrong. So they said that they have the part and they will come back on Saturday to fix it around noon. And Saturday noon comes and goes. Nothing. So I called about 2 o'clock because I don't want to be that guy that gets like, hey, you said 12, it's 12:01. So I waited till 2 o'clock, and he said, okay, I'm at another job, but I'll be there by 5. Okay. So 5 o'clock comes and goes. Of course, this technician doesn't show up. So I call him at 6 o'clock and nothing. Basically straight to voicemail. 6:30, 7 o'clock. So I was like, okay, screw it. He's going home for the day. I'll try him tomorrow. I'll try him on Sunday. No response either on Sunday. Again, day off. I get it. Monday comes and goes, or Monday comes around. And on Monday, he answers the phone and he says, I'm up in West Palm Beach. And again, I'm in Florida, so West Palm Beach is about 30 minutes away. I'm in West Palm Beach working on the job. When I get done, I'll come down to you. And then at this point I'm frustrated, so I say to him, well, what time are you going to get here? What time can I expect you? Because you were supposed to be here on Saturday and you never showed up. So what time can I expect you? And he said, what I will do is I will call you when I'm 10 minutes out. Okay. And so I called him early in the morning on Monday, and Monday would have been the 20th. Now remember, we opened this claim on the 15th, so Monday's the 20th. So the 20th in the morning, we'll say around 10 o'clock, called him and he said he'll let me know when he's 10 minutes out. Okay, fine. So a few hours go by, I want to say 1 or 2 o'clock, and I call him back and say, just confirming that you're going to be coming today. He said, yes, I will be there by 5 o'clock. Perfect. So set things in motion to make sure somebody's at the house 5 o'clock so he can do what he needs to do to conduct the repair. 5 o'clock comes and goes, nothing. 6 o'clock, nothing. Call him, no answer. Call him on Tuesday, which would have been today's Wednesday the 22nd, so Tuesday the 21st. And I'm like, dude, what's going on? You were supposed to be here yesterday. You said by 5 o'clock. Well, I got caught up in a job. Okay, but I mean, the phone works, right? Because you're answering your phone, so the phone works. I'm sitting here with no AC. You know this is Florida. Let's not do this again. So I call him, so I call him, and he's like, okay, I'm going to be there today. Give me the same BS answer by 5 o'clock. I'm like, listen, dude. I mean, you said that before. How do I know you're going to show up today when you didn't show up yesterday? You didn't show up Friday. You didn't show up Saturday. Like, for real. And so then he's like, I will be there today. I'll let you know when I'm, 20 minutes out. Okay, but I'll be there by 5 is what he says. So 5:45, and I want to make sure I'm telling you this time correctly, because this is where it gets even more interesting. So I'm pulling up my phone now to tell you exactly what time I called this bozo, and I'll get his name and all his information. Actually, what I actually am going to do is his information is going to be down below this screen the entire time, because this dude is, we'll say garbage. So I called him at 6:03 p.m. yesterday, and I'll show all of the calls to this loser. Called him at 6:03 yesterday, Tuesday, and he says, I am 15 minutes away. Perfect. Going to get the AC fixed. Sounds great. Make sure somebody's there. Get the AC fixed. 7 o'clock rolls around. Nothing. 8 o'clock. Nothing. Doesn't answer his phone. And here we are, still sitting with no AC. Today's temperature it's only 84 degrees. Yesterday was 86. The day before that was 87. Got to 89, and of course over the weekend it was in about 90. So without AC, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, now the 22nd. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call this guy. I'm going to record it live, so that way we have some kind of record of what exactly this loser has said to me. So that's what we're going to do right now. Hello, Robert.
Yes.
Hey, I was just trying.
I'm in a meeting. Can I call about in 2 minutes?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You have reached Sunline Appliance Repair. No, we're unable to take your call. Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, and we'll get in contact with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Sorry, mailbox is full. To send an SMS notification.
So here we go. This little dude is now playing games. Garbage. Garbage.
You have reached Sunline Appliances Repair. We're currently unable to take your call. Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, and we'll get in contact with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Sorry, mailbox is full. To send an SMS notification, press 5. To send...
So I can't even leave a voicemail to express anything to this guy. And like I said, he doesn't respond to text messages. So you're pretty much left with hoping and praying that he answers the daggone phone. I think I'm going to call him from a different number, see if he answers that way. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and get this video up as soon as possible. Robert, I forget what Robert's last name is. I know it's in here somewhere. But Robert from Sunline Appliance, you are a scumbag. You're garbage. You're trash. I hope the world gets to see this, and I hope you go out of business, buddy, because you're terrible.